Hi everyone, today I have another unboxing, and this is the Bonavita variable temperature tea kettle. It has a gooseneck, which is great for pour over, and basically you get to set the temperature of your hot water and you can hold it to that temperature for as long as you need. So I'm really excited about this one, and let's take a look at what's inside. We have the manual. We have the lid right here. Looks like aluminum. Not sure what kind of metal this is. Actually, I think the whole... I'll update the video, but I think the whole kettle is made of aluminum or stainless steel, so I'll have to double check that, but this is it. Not too big, nice size. It's 1 liter, and the base. Take it out of this plastic to show you a little bit better. Let's take this casing off here. Oh. So there's the base. Not too big either. I mean, this isn't a kitchen counter, obviously, but to give you a sense of its size. So, that's it. And the rest of the box is empty. And there you have it. So this goes on right like that, and it can rotate around, which is cool. So I'll show you how it works in the next video. Thanks.